Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating your very own Flash token on an EVM network. For our example, we'll be developing a Flash USDT ERC20 token. To get started, you'll need a minimum of 0.05 ETH or 0.25 BNB along with approximately $30 to cover gas fees. With this initial funding, we'll mint 30,000 Flash USDT tokens, which will remain visible in your wallet for 6 months. Let's dive in. First, create a new file and name it USDT sol. Make sure to use uppercase letters. In this file, you'll need to insert the code provided in the description. Next, we'll compile the file. Navigate to the Solidity compiler section and select version 0.6.6+, then click on Compile USDT sol. If everything is correct, you should see a green tick icon on the left side of the screen. Now it's time to deploy our contract. Go to the Deploy section and initiate the transaction. In the Environment drop-down, choose Wallet Connect or connect your wallet directly. You'll need a decentralized wallet for this process. I recommend using MetaMask. Just remember that Binance and Bybit wallets won't work. In the Deploy section, enter Tether for the token name and USDT in the token symbol, then click on Transact. When entering the maximum fee, round it to a whole number. Confirm the transaction. Expect the first transaction to be the most expensive, costing between $10 and $30. Wait for confirmation. If everything goes smoothly, you should see your smart contract. Copy the contract address and paste it into Etherscan to verify its creation. Keep in mind that if you're deploying a smart contract on Ethereum, you'll need to top it up with ETH only and vice versa for other networks. To fund your smart contract, simply copy its address and treat it like a regular wallet for top-ups. Remember, the minimum amount required is 0.05 ETH. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. Once confirmed, refresh the page to ensure your contract is funded. Return to Remix and wait until your balance appears. After that, click on Start Input, the maximum fee, confirm the transaction, and wait once more. After confirmation, click on Withdraw to transfer your earned Flash USDT to your wallet. Repeat the earlier steps as necessary and wait for transaction confirmation again. Check your balance, and if everything has gone well, you should see your Flash ERC20 USDT in your wallet. If you have any further questions,